Okay, well, do you have a few words you'd like to say about the wood you've made? Yeah.
Ain't that some shit?
Those sparks?
Yeah. Oh, I got a wire off. $5,000 credit card. I can't buy one of them wood misers all painted up fancy. Cut like shit, by the way. Bandsaws are garbage. Go fuckers. I don't know, credit card. Well, mine makes lumber, slabs, firewood, all by itself. And I ain't left nothing. I got the robot to do it all. Truck runs like shit. Sawmill runs like shit, but it's all working. Baby, here's some lumber. Here's some slabs. Here's some sawdust.
Yeah, we
Now
want
it's just a
to
tree to throw down. Like that's not, I don't know.
Oh, that's supposed to.
Like, did you think maybe you weren't paying attention, but we were wondering how the heck I was going to end up with a 4x4 when I was at 6 inches the one way? Like, there's some tricks to that, right? And
No,
it just
yeah,
came
I
back
saw
to me
that. Yeah.
as I was doing it, right? Because
Yeah.
the dogger's behind him, so the dogger jumps over the log, rolls it in, throws it on the carriage, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then you dog it. And the saw's standing right in front of you. But you gotta know what he's gonna make out of that thing, kind of, sort of. You wanna roll it the right way, he'll yell at you every once in a while. He starts cutting, but you gotta know what he's doing, right?
Yeah.
He's at 8 inches. Well, we don't make anything 8 inches. What's he doing? Oh, he's taking 2 and 6, or 4 and 2, or 8 and 1 for a resaw.
Oh.
Like, it's a round, right? Round, and you're trying to
Yeah.
pick out all the little pieces out of that log, but you're doing one every 15 seconds, right? You're jumping over a log, throw it on, boom, 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 and he's zing, 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 like that thing ran as fast as it would go. It's 400 horsepower to it or something.
Mm-hmm.
6-foot blade, and it was just shoving it through. It had a counter or a flywheel
Mm-hmm.
that would just run out of power at the end of about a 12-foot log, right? So you get this massive motor just wound right up, and then you'd shove that carriage, and that carriage would, oh, the fucking sawdust would shoot like 50 feet. Like, it was a mean piece of equipment.
Mm-hmm.
Started as a piler, then I went to tail sawer. So now you're watching the sawer from the front, you're watching him thinking, you're watching him gauging, you're watching him do everything. You're never going to be that guy. If you grow up, you get to be a dogger. And then you watch the backside of that guy, and you watch how he controls it and how he feathers it, and he's just gauging and is bumping back. He's like bumping back with his hip, he gauges it in, he bumps it back, you get another chap on for that, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Bumping it. And then everybody else quit, and I had to be the sawer too.
Oh.
So I learned how to make some boards out of there. It just came back to me when I started. I was at 6 inches, 1 slab left. Well, I'll flip it over and make it 6 by 4, take a 2 by 4, and a 4 by 4, right? It's hard to believe we did so much math with all the weed we smoked.